Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another MeekFro video. You are watching youtube.com/MeekFro.
We moving mad, so me let on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling, and I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always
do me a favor, can y'all thumbs up this video for me, please? I would highly appreciate it. So you guys, I got some conditioner on my hair. It's about to dry up. Like, I just slapped some on there. I am known for dabbling in double-ended locks for sure. I love them. And lo and behold, oh wow, as you can see, it says Poppydreads. This looks like a decal here. I believe it is. Oh wow. Poppydreads.de, professional synthetic dreadlocks. First things first, I was a little worried, y'all. I was like, I need some elastic bands, because you know when you install these, one of the methods is to use elastic bands, and they have some here, which I'm super happy. So these are my dreads, y'all. The color is gorgeous. They are a little on the small side because your girl does have shaved sides all the way around. So yeah, so these are Poppydreads, okay? Extra information will be in the description box, as I've said. If you want these particular ones, I can tell you how to get them. Let's just say you had a full head of hair, okay? Your locks will start here. So that would be the length. Since it's starting from up here, it's gonna take some of the length off. There are 5 in each bundle, and they come accessorized already. So as you can see, some of them have the string on it, has these little beads, that type of thing. This is kind of basically like an ombre, but yeah, I'm gonna wash my conditioner out of my head, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and install these. Okay y'all, so I am like just about done. I have like maybe 6 or 7 more to go. These do not take long at all. On the full head, I think these take 3 hours to install, but if you have like a tapered, all the way around tapered sides like moi, it takes 45 minutes to an hour. But
I promise that I don't feel these things at all. I promise that I don't feel a thing. I promise that I don't feel these things at all. Said I promise that I don't feel a thing. I've got a slight dilemma now. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I'm not in love with you, no. I'm just in love with the way you feel.
So I'm on the very last 2.
Even if these stories aren't true, I fell in love with them, no. Now I feel the way love is due. I promise that I don't feel these things at all. I promise that I don't feel a thing. I promise that I don't feel these things.
I'm seeing the final results. I love how quick these styles are. I love how like it's not too much up here. So I'm grateful that Poppydreads, their dreads are not stiff at all. Like when you put them in, you ready. It's the style is done.
Don't feel these things at all. I promise that I don't feel a thing. I promise that I don't feel these things at all. Said I promise that I don't feel a thing. I don't feel a thing.